You know, this is something I've been thinking about for a while, and it's the subject of finding success on YouTube. Um, Myself, I'm not really looking for success to become a big YouTube name. Some people are, and more power to those who are, and may those who are doing so continue to get that success. But I'm just thinking about the ways that it's done. The general advice is find a niche, stick to it, focus on that, upload consistency, blah 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 blah. The thing is, you've got competition. You've got a lot of competition. There are ways to get further with keywords in searches and this, that, and the other. Things like tubebuddy, which is useful, I will say. It does help, but it's not going to guarantee success, but it does help. I think I will put a link to that in the description, because it's a way to draw in money with the affiliate link. That will be mine, and you can sign up with that and then use that in yours. But anyway, I'm digressing a bit there. It's so the big problem is, as I say, and a lot of people say, is the competition. You're trying to get noticed. You're one of thousands, millions of voices talking about your particular subject, topic, and niche. And hang on, just gonna pause. Maybe it's time to turn that around. Now, some people are sort of doing this in that, as a means to get noticed by sponsors, talking about something, doing reviews and things and this, that, and the other. And somebody who works for a company notices that and says, hey, well, okay, we'll sponsor you, blah blah blah. Although usually they don't do that until you've got a certain amount of subscribers and views already. See, the thing is, most people go around, they go on YouTube and they look for information. So try this. Start asking questions. Use the same things of keywords and this, that, and the other, but instead of presenting information, saying, look, you know what, no, I'll just backtrack a second here. Yep. Instead of saying, this is how you do this, that, and the other, put a video out saying, I don't know how to do this. Can somebody tell me how to do this? Let's say, look, I've got an old copy of SketchUp or whatever, and I don't know how to do this, and quite frankly, my computer's obsolete, and I can't afford to buy a new one. I need some plugin or some way of doing this. Can someone help me, please? And see what happens. See if you get replies to that. You should get views, and you should get replies, and quite possibly even shout out and mentions. Try that, and see what happens. I'm gonna try this myself on a number of topics, if I remember to. But yeah, try that, and see what happens. All right, and if you do get results, drop a comment below and let me know, because I want to know if this idea is going to work, or if it's just a lot of crap. Of course, not being a regular YouTuber content maker, this may already have been done. I don't think it has, to be honest. So try it out, let me know, and see what happens.